If you're thinking of selling your home, most real estate agents are going to come in and talk to you about what they need to do to get it ready to market. A lot of times they don't talk about the things that you need to be ready for when showing your home. Curb appeal on point. The first thing people see when they pull up to your house is the exterior of your home, so make sure you've got your curb appeal on point. That means kids' toys need to be out of the front lawn, the yard needs to be mowed, the driveway needs to be swept clean. All of these things are critically important to make sure you make a great first impression. Show the home you listed. Once you put your home on the market and have the photos taken, people are going to be looking at those photos online before they ever set foot inside your house. Resist the temptation to make any changes inside your home, or if you do, make sure you update those photos. People can get confused if they come in and you're not showing the home that you listed online, because any little bit of a difference is going to cause them problems when they're looking through the home. Keep it clean. The house you show is not necessarily the home you live in. That's kind of counterintuitive because you still live there, right? Well, here's the fact of the matter. You can no longer look at it as your home, but more of a product that you're wanting to sell. Make sure you maintain a spotless home because you want everyone who comes in to be able to see themselves in your house. Address any odors. Do you have pets? Do you love to cook? Doesn't matter. Those odors can be problems for other people who are coming into the house. You need to do everything you can to make the house smell like absolutely nothing, or maybe some kind of nice deodorizer. Comfortable climate. Do you have a specific temperature you like to keep your house at? Doesn't really matter in this instance because you want to make sure that it's completely comfortable for everyone who's coming to take a look. Something around 70 degrees should probably do the trick any time of year. Let there be light. If you're home and have the opportunity before a showing to get all the lights turned on in the house, absolutely do that. It helps out tremendously. Sometimes that's not possible, and I understand that. What you should do, however, is make sure that you're switching any compact fluorescents you have out to incandescent bulbs because you want something that's going to light up immediately, and sometimes those compact fluorescents take a minute, which makes other rooms seem darker than they should. Pay attention to pets. If you've got pets in your home, it is critically important to let someone know if they're going to be there. The best option is to go ahead and take them out and take them away from the home with you during your showing, but I obviously understand that that's not always the case. However, always letting someone know up front is the best policy. Sometimes they can scare the prospective buyer. Sometimes they may have an allergy. You want to make sure that they know what they're getting into before they find your pet during the showing. Thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. If you have any other tips on getting your home ready to show, let me know in the comments down below. Also, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post. Done.